How do you govern inclusively? How do you rebuild trust when so many have turned out? That's the real work ahead. And it's far harder than winning votes. You see, behind every policy announcement, there's a quiet workforce. Analysts, compliance officers, planners, and public servants. They're the ones who turn big ideas into working systems or sometimes into red tape. So, if Democrats truly want to make changes, they need to look beyond the podium and into the operations, into the oversight and equity that determine how policies actually reach people. Because it's one thing to write a climate resilience plan, it's another to make sure that the plan doesn't push out the families it was meant to protect. And that's what we do here.